1年洗发时候呢？整个整洗。我整洗啊，洗说是。
对，洗澡的时候也可以洗。
是吧？
I'm not gonna sell us here. They're not bargaining how much they sell us. They said this one, what about this one? They said, this one, the one the people on glasses can go for 100 RMB.
People do them.
You see?
Organic to Liang.
Say two. Liang, two.
But I'm here right now, just sitting in a cloud. Oh wow, I'm here right now.
Hey guys, guys, I'm super excited this morning. Like, the girl is excited. Guess what? Guess what's happening? It's been like a long study period and no rest. So guys, and today I'll be camping. Like, I'll be going for a camp. It's a church camp anyways, but it's gonna be so damn fun. So guys, we're about leaving. These are the whole luggages and number of people going. So I'm not just the only one going. We're actually so many. There's some already in the bus. Fandine, yeah. So we are many and some already in the bus, and we're gonna join quite soon. Not just only me, and you're already going for camping. So guys, I'll keep you guys updated. See you soon. I'm about entering the bus. Oh, I like your hair. So I have these friends around. We are going together anyways. So we'll be going in now. It's a cold day and the weather is so cold, so this is the sun for us. Like, we're enjoying the sun. It's sunny, so we're enjoying it. So these are the ones for now. These are the people out here for now. Yeah, it's our holiday. This is my partner.
Hi.
You're Irish?
Yes.
Right? You're my partner.
Yeah.
Have you learned it? Yeah, we have script together. We have a role to play together. So, meet my friend. Her name is?
Iris.
No, look at the camera. What's your name?
Iris.
Can you pull down your good job. Yeah, this is my partner. We have a role, and this is the script. Can you see my script? Go back. Let me take a video. I'm making a video, not a picture. Hey guys, I'm so much amazed by what I'm seeing right now. Like, hey, Like I've touched these rocks. I really want to know if it's an artificial rock or a real rock. But hey, it's real rock. Oh, now real rock you dey see so. Real rock for inside house. Eh? For inside house. Oh, and I hear saying there for rooms. Okay, now we go see. We go see very soon. We go see waiting they saw very soon. I hope say no be this rock then make the bed wey wey person go lie on top. Oh, I don't understand again. Okay, these are my friends and we are moving. We just checked in together. We are going to our rooms now. Now wow, see rocks everywhere. Now wow. Hey, can someone tell me where I'm going to? I thought I was meant to enter inside room. Oh, oh my god, I'll drop the address of this location in case if I get lost. Oh my god.
Room na high up. Oh.
Na hiking with the hike so. Na hiking. To enter the room you need to hike. As no be small thing though. Hey.
No, we are still hiking. You go without us. We shall meet you.
But I thought this meant to be a hotel. Like, why is it looking this way? Oh my god. Jeez. See, grass is everywhere. Hey. I hope say snake no dey here. Oh. See the down part. Hey guys! So we finally here. Finally, I've checked in to my room. Man, it wasn't easy. It's been a long journey. Like it's been a long, but it's worth it anyways. It's worth it. So guys, I'm here. This is my room. This is where I'm gonna be staying for now. Where is the data? I'm here.
Icebreaker. Wow. Good teamwork.
Yeah, you can easily.
So
You can easily give up.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
Where is the countryside here? Oh, okay.
Wow. So what amazing time we're going to have together, right? The countryside. Sweating or shivering? Shivering is like cold. I like to sweat. I think I'll be sweating a lot climbing these steps.
That's quite funny. It's confusing.
Sorry.
In time.
Okay. Next, coffee or tea?
Yay! I don't like
coffee.
Here is for coffee and here is for tea.
Train, or subway, I should say. Subway or train, or aeroplane?
Here.
Subway, aeroplane. Okay.
So you're afraid? You're afraid, right?
Okay, next. Are you listening? Messy or tidy?
I'm here.
Chocolates here or vanilla? You didn't even know what the option was. Wow, some little chocolate enthusiast. And cookies or brownies. And you guys can probably tell that Ron's worked to help me with this list. Thank you, Ronda. And then
Yeah, you can
pizza or tacos. I didn't
just
know
here.
about
It doesn't have
Do you
it
guys
doesn't
know
have
what tacos
special. Just huh?
winter
For
or
photos,
summer?
right?
Making winter, no way.
Is it connected very well?
And finally, for me, unless Trevor and Ashley.
Having dinners already. Yeah.
Hey, good morning. Sleeping champion. Wake up. Breakfast is 7 in the morning.
Hey guys, so this is the second day of this trip. This is the second day of our journey here, and you can believe you me, the weather is not, it's damn cold, like it's super cold, and we ain't enjoying it anyways. We're meant to go to somewhere so nice, but today we can't go because right now it's drizzling anyways, and we can't go like that. We have to go back. We have to change the trip. So right now we're moving out, and I have my groups outside there. Sorry, it's walking. We are not hiking. We are walking. So you guys can come along. We wanted to hike, but we can't. So we are going for a walk. We are in groups anyways.
The walk can be better. You never know.
Yeah, but I needed to hike. Yeah.
Enjoy the walking.
But what do you think would be so good about the walk?
I mean,
like you've been walking throughout your life.
Nobody knows what we were expecting there. we didn't know what we had there, so we don't know what we expect from walking.
Okay, so this our group.
Good, it may be less good. Yeah, we are just excited.
Yeah, we hope it's good.
Trevor just told me that there is one spot where there's a lot of.
Since I came to China, I've not seen where they are roasting corn. So this is a roasted corn. Ni temakawa. Shi temakawa da. Ai.
5块钱一个。
5块钱一个。5块一个. You want?
When we come back, we should be here.
Ask her if she will still be there.
你几点回去？阿姨。
我晚着呢。
哦。
不是住这儿的吗？
对，就在这儿。
你们下来的时候。
OK， 我们先要去那边。
上面玩。
对，去玩。
那你待会儿下来的时候再买。
Okay. She said whenever we come back, she's always here till evening, till night.
Oh.
Yeah. So we continue when we come back.
Very surprised. I always thought that my phone was like the blurriest camera. My phone had the blurriest camera ever. But I have an iPhone user.
Please, I'm gonna
It's totally
upgrade.
weird.
I will upgrade. Don't worry.
She has a great iPhone. I don't
After this
understand
trip,
that.
I'll upgrade.
How can you be asking to a Samsung guy? Me, when I talk about phones, I don't put camera when it comes to iPhone.
Abi, you hide your own phone.
No, I hide it. Every time we are together with people,
Don't
they want to take pictures, they will always say, iPhone people, come out your phone. And I will just put my phone inside my pocket, like nobody saw, nobody's aware.
And now you've seen that it's really.
No, I know which kind of. Yeah, very nice.
Hey, the video is running.
Take photos. Yeah.
Okay.
So there's lots of people coming for this trip. This guy.
This guy is, the place he's staying is very risky. No, go up. Go up, it's too risky. Oh my God.
Maybe it's a diver.
Hi, Lianla. It's too cold. The weather is too cold and the water is cold as well. Linda, sorry. Oh my God. I think this guy is a diver. Like, maybe he's good in water. See this little kid. Kids are not meant to come here. This boy is here. This little boy is here. It's too risky. Someone can just slip in there. See. Oh my God. And this guy too. Can you see the position where this guy is standing? Hey! Hi!
You have zoomed it.
I zoomed it.
Yeah.
The view is nice.
Go ahead. For this one you pay me, actually. It looks so good. But the water doesn't come out. Let me.
Okay. I shall still gonna find it.
And this is beautiful.
So guys, there's something else I need to show you guys. See the bridge there? She's and it's really frightening. People are dancing. So I want to go there. I want to go. I'm making people right.
All right.
She's affecting me. Hey, Benjamin, stop! We're having our fun. Benjamin, stop! I'm just my fun.
that position. Then look at me.
Did you capture it?
Yeah. Finish it. I'm taking a picture now.
1
一个月一回。洗发的时候呢？
肯定洗啊，
整个整洗。
肯定洗。
我整洗啊，洗说是。
对，洗澡的时候也可以洗。
是吧？
Amaka don't sell us here. They are not bargaining how much they will sell us. He said this one, what about this one? He said this one, the one the people on classes can go for 100 RMB.
People do them.
You see?
Organic to Alliance.
He said two. He said two. Liang, two.
So,
No block milk, no block milk.
I'll blow, man.
No block milk.
So I made the count. 1, 2, 3, jump.
No, 3, 2, 1. It's better. We already know where you stop.
I know you.
It's go. Wait for go. 1, 2, 3, go.
The guy was waiting for 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Somebody was waiting for 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is that a guy? Is that a guy?
When you start by the highest.
Is that a guy? Is that a guy was waiting?
See, I detect cars when they come.
Okay, guys. Okay, I make a count. 1, 2, 3, go.
Now see when they want go.
Majora, this is your moment. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh man, you missed the count. You missed the count.
He pushed me out of the screen. She pushed me out of the screen.
Yeah, Lynn was born ready.
Okay. So how do we end? Like, okay.
Like when I say 1, 2, 3, you jump on go. 1, 2, 3, go. Da. 1, 2, 3, go. Da.
The more you are giving details, the more you are
1, 2, 3, go. Da. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4,
It's a video. Video, yeah.
It's a nice can. It's a nice can.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, go. All right.
I just want to watch. I don't need it.
1, 2, 3, go.
Now you count.
1, 2, 3, Burumba. How?
Follow him. You can't leave it.
How? 1, 2, 3, 4, Burumba.
I came inside the street.
Was it not what you just thought to say?
Oh yeah, the frame is.
Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, Burumba. No, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, Burumba.
When you start by the highest, we know what.
I have this whole personalities here, and we've been wiring together. So finally we are out. See what we have here. Corn. Not just corn. Roasted corn. This is what I've not seen in China for like years. I got roasted corn. So we are back. We are done with. Why are you laughing? What is it? So guys, we're back. It was worth it. We are chilling up now. This is it. This is what we are doing. It's not really what we expected anyways, but this is it. Like, throughout the period I've been here, I've not gotten something like this, but so see you guys later. Remember to subscribe. Oh, I've not told you guys to subscribe and click on the like button. Thanks guys, see you later.